welcome back to the channel, BMF Speed Shop. So I got finally some nice weather out here, and I did a little work. I think it still needs a little work on the carburetors, but it runs. It's idling. It does still have a couple issues that I got to figure out, but other than that, I mean, I'm ready to throw plates and insurance on it. So I just thought I'd give you what we had to do. I had to actually change the oil 5 times in here because when I got it from auction, there was a bunch of water inside of the engine. I don't understand. Luckily, I brought it in the laundry room right away. So I was able to not have to worry about the engine freezing solid, because if I would have parked it outside in the garage, it would have froze and cracked the engine. So we were able to get it in where it didn't freeze, and then I changed the oil. Well, I checked the oil, and then I was like, hey, there's water in here, so I changed it, and it was like 50% water, 50% oil. I have no idea how that much water even got in this thing, because it was parked in a barn inside. So I was confused. Maybe I was sabotaged. I don't know. Anyways, we got all the water out. I replaced the battery. I had to go pick that up today. It was 59 bucks. I drained the tank. I put all fresh gas in it. New oil filter. I ordered a couple of those. The first couple oil changes, I just changed the oil. So, and then I guess if you remember, we got it with no key. So I had to get a new ignition for it. And it's really weird. I don't think that the front brake is working yet. I'm not exactly sure, but I was driving it around and it felt like only the rear brake was working, which makes sense. Maybe there's water in there too. I don't know. The automatic is really weird. I'm not used to that. But yeah, I'm super excited. I got it running. So I'm gonna go drive around my yard. It's still kind of mucky. I wish I had some gnarly meats on here. That's one of the things we have to do, is get some new tires. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like a cafe racer. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing really, but just enjoy it, you know. Looks super nice out here in the sun. So, hey, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I gotta go do some Honda stuff.